Steve McGaw's 1987 Margay Lynx. We've seen a lot of Margays here today. That's some nice kart. I was giving Steve a hard time cleaning it after he raced it. It's like, leave the gunk on it. Makes it look faster.